Hi, welcome to HardReset.Info channel, dear viewers. In front of me, Realme Era 11 Pro Plus device. And now I'm gonna show you how to activate or how to deactivate chats in bubbles on this device. So I'll show you how to do it in Messenger, but the same rule you can use for other applications too. For example, as you can see, here we have the Messenger application, so we need to open it. Messenger. So open Messenger application, and in Messenger, as you can see here, you have people, calls, and chats. So you need to click on the three lines button and choose Messenger settings. Then scroll down and enable chat heads. But it's not the end, because we need to change the settings in our device too. To do it, you need to open settings, then open apps, or not apps. It will be better if you will choose notification status bar. So find status bar and click here more settings and enable bubbles here. Then find Messenger, and here you need to allow notifications and check that all tumblers are enabled, and cool, that's it. Thanks for watching, bye.